Morning, beautiful people. So I'm getting ready for an event today, Country Road Pinterest event, and I thought I would go through some of the recent launches that have arrived, but also some of the beautiful things that I've been sent for my face. Very kind, lovely brands who saw me burn my face in the accident that I'd had 2 weeks ago. You can see I've covered it up a little bit with concealer, but there's still some pretty hectic sort of scars that I'm working on. So I've been using lots of different products and protocols, like everything. I'm throwing everything at it. So I will have soon for you all have a sense of what really worked. So where to begin? I guess, what have I got on my lap? Well, the first thing that is really exciting is Hermes Beauty has, they've got a new launch, and I mean, their packaging is just as usual, next level. We've got this beautiful box that has like a little second little swabby thing. So this is the eyeshadow. Ooh, look at these colors, khaki and turquoise. So they'll be interesting. Maybe I'll try that today. I'm wearing white and beige, so I could do it. Lovely, I mean, their brushes too are so divine. And then look at these mascaras. Coloured mascaras are back. So I don't know. What do you guys think about the coloured mascaras? Did they ever take off? Was it ever something you did? Okay, thank God that's black. I'm going to try just the black probably today. Maybe I'll do like a little tips with some, what's that, green? That might be nice. A little bit of green on the outer edges. And that, that's an interesting shade. Don't know, maybe. Okay, so let's put that aside and I'll try it. Oh God, what else? There's so many things. Beautiful L'Occitane sent me some treats, care package, the Milky Bath. God, have you tried the almond milk range? It just has the most insane smell. They've got like a shower oil, but the Milky Bath, I'm so excited. I'll feel like Cleopatra. Their products are so beautiful. Okay, I'll do next. I think what I'll do is put my foundation on while I'm talking to you, because I've actually got to get ready while we talk, because I've only got an hour, and I'm also hoping to try and squeeze in another video, a hair video that I have to film, because I haven't been filming much lately. So this is the Oxygenetics foundation. It's a little bit old. It says best by 2024, but it seems to have oxygenated a bit in the packaging, but I'm getting some more of it because it's been great for, I haven't really been wearing any foundation, but it's great for if you do have any wounds or any kind of trauma to the face. You can use it because it's breathable and it's got a base of aloe vera, so it's very hydrating and gentle. So I'm popping that on. What else have we got? There's some new Australis eye palettes. Remember Australis? Where did they go? But they're back. Look at these palettes. They're very cool. Look at that. Those shades are beautiful. So maybe that's for another day, but can definitely have some fun with those. We've got some launches from Kind. Oh, Napoleon Purvis have sent a whole lot of their stuff. So again, a brand that sort of hadn't seen too much from, but now they've got these beautifully packaged things for Christmas. So this is their brush set. I just love the beautiful little brush holder, so you can just have it sitting on your makeup table. The classic primer. I should have used that first, actually. What was I thinking? So I've got a event today with Pinterest and Country Road Home. So Pinterest is actually one of our best performing platforms, if not our best performing platform on Beauticate. We get up to 1.2 million views a month. So it's a big area for Beauticate. We've got a lot of content on there, and we'll be doing even more. So I'm really keen to see, different ways that we can work with brands on Pinterest as well. It's a great way to extend our reach, and it brings a lot of traffic to the website. And tell me, do you guys use Pinterest, and what do you use it for? And what kind of beauty content would you like to see on there? Because I imagine hairstyles to show your hairdresser. I imagine most of you are using it for home interiors inspo. That's what I use it for a lot. Do you use it for fashion? Do you use it for makeup ideas? Would you watch makeup tutorials on there? Okay, here are some new products that have come in. The loops, I'm so excited about these. Mecca launch. These are gel mask, hydrogel mask sets. I won't do it now, obviously, because I'm doing my makeup, but I will come back to that. Oh, this lovely brand sent me her products when she saw I burnt my face, and it's called Delicious Vibrant Beauty. So this, oh my gosh, this body product smells so amazing. Rose Blossom. It's just like rose water mist. It's like a moisturizing body mist. I'm obsessed. I can't stop using it. But she also sent a beautiful cucumber eye balm, night radiant sleep mask, and then this is the product, the burn and scar remedy that she wants me to be using. I've got a lot of different burn remedies. I'll show you my little collection over here. So that's sort of the main ones I'm using at the moment. Oh, there's another one there. Gorgeous Terry from Vincent from Terry Vincent. Oh my God, I'm having a mental blank. Synergy Skin. Oh God, don't you hate that when you just can't think of a word? Synergy sent me her recovery balm, and it's a really gorgeous. This one is really thick and nourishing. Like it's almost like well, it is a balm. And like you can feel that it's all oil based, and it's good when kind of like lanolin, but like I don't know if it has lanolin in it, but it feels thick like lanolin. Cicaplast balm, La Roche-Posay, that has been a game changer. This is what they actually told me to use at the burns unit. This or Dermaveen are the two products that they recommend for their burn victims. And the thing that with my treatment, what I had to do was I had to scrub off the scab, which sounds really counterintuitive, and it was quite scary. So they told me to actually go in the shower with a warm face washer. You can you can apply moisturizer over your face first to soften any scabs. Wait 15 minutes, then go in the warm shower with a soft wash, well, even not soft wash face washer, and just like gently scrub the scabs off. Ugh. And that helps bring the fresh cells to the surface. So rather than just leaving them stagnant, he said the key is to try and heal the skin within 14 days and then you won't scar. He said if it goes to sort of 21 days and beyond, then there's a much higher chance of scarring. So the idea of de-roofing the scabs is another expression I heard, which is, the idea of bringing that top surface level off is to bring the fresh cells to the surface. And I mean, obviously you've got to be very gentle, and you know, this might not apply to all burns and wounds. So please check with your doctor, your nurse, or whoever's treating you in that scenario. And do get, if you do injure yourself, please do go and see someone. I know it's scary to go and sit in triage for hours, but you know, even if you go to, you know, a GP or pharmacist or anyone, just get them to look at it, because my advice might not be the best for everyone. The other one I've been using is DMK Beta Gel. I've been trying Weleda Healing Gel. I've just been throwing everything at it naturally. IS Clinical Shield. Oh gosh, where's that one by Mukti? Oh, I have to find it. Hang on, I've just got to get this other cream. This literally sits by my bed because it smells so amazing. It makes me so happy when I put it on at night. Mukti Marigold Hydrating Cream. Like, this is just a beautiful product for anyone. Look at the yellow. It smells like a field of flowers in full bloom. It's like, you just feel like you're lying in a field of flowers when you use it. I just think if you've got any kind of, what's it for? It's hydrating. It's for anyone. Like, it's not just for burns. It's for anyone. I feel like it's good for sensitive skins. Heaven. Well done, Mukti. She's clever. Okay, what else have we got? Oh, this is exciting. So we'll put that down there. Oh, this is lovely. Lovely gift from a friend of mine who's a makeup artist and a friend of hers who has this gorgeous business, Harperini, Thoughtfully Designed Essentials. she sent me a gorgeous cat, You Beauty. So that will keep me somewhat protected, because obviously when you injure yourself, you've got to protect yourself from the sun. So thank you. Thank you, gorgeous Joanne. Love it. I love it. And my lovely friend Luna Lux. I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to save it for opening it on camera. But my favourite silk pillowcases. So that's the other thing. If you have injured your face or had a cosmetic treatment, the best thing to do is to sleep on silk pillowcases, because you're protecting your skin. Plus, these particular silk pillowcases are infused with hyaluronic acid and argan oil. So I think it lasts for something crazy like 30 washes, this infusion. And look at that. I mean, they're so beautiful. I definitely needed another set because I've been using mine every single night, and you do have to change them quite regularly if you have had any wounds, but I highly recommend them. They're my favourite silk pillowcases, and they do come in a range of colours. I think that's those ones too. CoverGirl has a new product, Clean Invisible Powder. I haven't opened it yet. I'm not sure if it's my colour, but I like the idea that it's clean. So it's talc and fragrance free now. So that means they used to use talc. It's great that they don't. This is good. We're getting some progress in the beauty industry. So talc-free powder. So we'll try that one. And ooh, hello. This is from Benefit. I've already stolen something out of it. Oh no, here it is, the Fluff It Up Brow Wax. So this was to celebrate National Brow Day, which I assume I missed when I was, what date does it? Oh, it doesn't say. Yeah, it must have been and gone. Anyway, they've sent their key brow products in a little bag. How cute is that? So the highbrow pencil. This is awesome. This is great for giving you a little bit of highlight under the brow when you just want to define it. It's almost like a luminizer, but without the shimmeriness, if you get what I mean. It gives your brows a framework. Oh, and there's 2 shades. Is that new? Duo. Yeah, I haven't seen that. It used to be just 1 shade. And Precisely My Brow Pencil. So I don't always do brow pencils. I'm much more of a brow powder kind of girl because I find it's quicker. But let's try it. Let's give it a go. So these are teeny tiny little nibs. Woo! And then you just can kind of draw the hairs on. I always start from the apex of the brow because that's sort of where you can make the most impact with your brow. And also if you've got powder on a brush, you want to deposit most of the powder at the apex rather than at the start, because that can look really unnatural. So that's why. But yeah, I find you just have to just do a lot more work. Lazy girl's guide to brows is to just use powder. Ooh, see, I'm lazy and sloppy. But if you have a good, careful hand and patience, see, I do not have a good, careful hand or patience. Isn't this painful watching me? Sorry, I won't subject you to any more of this. Also, if you drink coffee, I get a bit the shakes from my coffee, so it doesn't work so well. Oh, thanks, Lash Armor. I wouldn't say they're great, but yeah, they'll do. And then the trick with brow wax, brush it forward or opposite first, and then let it dry a little bit to a sort of tacky stage, and then you're going to brush it back into place. So I know it seems counterintuitive. Brush it forward or back, whatever. Brush it against its natural hair growth is what I'm trying to say. And then give it a second and then brush it back to the correct way. Mascara, I already popped that on because I can't do much without mascara. I've blow dried my hair with the Dyson, and then I'm about to do a new product that's launching soon. I can't tell you about it, can I? Is it under embargo? I won't risk it. Anyway, it's exciting. Okay, now we're going back in and we're, oh, look at that. Look at that volume. Benefit do know brows, don't they? So I'm just going to brush those puppies up and out. Might need to fix a bit of the pencil that's gone AWOL. Yeah, they're pretty full. I think it's just the product. Does anyone have any brow questions while we're here? Is it your product launching? No, not my product. This is Benefit Brow. Oh, sorry. Is it my product launching that I can't tell you about? No, it's a curling hair product. So it's not me. All right, that looks good. And what else can we try that's come in new? I picked up these Kind Miracle drops at the Priceline event, and they're really nice. So I'm just going to do a little bit of bronze on the cheek. Oh no. Ah, on the top I'm wearing today. Shit. Okay, I'm gonna need to find some baby wipes. Do I have baby wipes? Yep, they're in the car. All right, well, before it dries, I should log off. Let me just think about anything else I have to tell you about that I have been meaning to, because things have been sitting here. Mukti. Oh God, this is exciting. This is Dolce & Gabbana makeup. I probably will do a separate sort of stories about that because it's beautiful. Look at the packaging. There's a fragrance, and this is an oil in powder illuminizer. I mean, seriously. I love the drops mixed with the foundation. That's a good idea. I should have done that. Look at this. Super glam. Oh. Look at the little brush that even comes with it. Gold. Love gold with the branding. And then the lips. These are No Transfer Matte Liquid Lips. I mean, can you even? These are so fabulous. So I will try them on. Oh, mascara. Oh, I've got 2 mascaras. What will I choose? Hermes or Dolce? Maybe one on each eye. Designer eyes. Oh, that's a pretty shade. Let me see. Anything else that's urgent? I wanted to tell you about some products that I've been using since I did the last live, but I think that will have to just be a separate reel. Oh, Thirsty Turtle. Oh, this is a cool brand. This is a friend of mine's friend, gorgeous girls, that they've got this brand, Thirsty Turtle, and it's basically, it's cult products that one of the founders is Indigenous, so they have a positive impact on country and community. So they work with Indigenous groups to source their ingredients. They've got incredible ingredients that aren't well known but are very effective in skincare. So the Thirsty Turtle Desert Glow Brightening Gel Cream, I've been using this. This is glorious. It's got desert tomato in it. So 5% niacinamide. Then the Forest Therapy Foam Cleanser is beautiful. I haven't tested this one yet, but I've just been using this because I haven't been able to use it much skincare. So I've kind of been waiting. Then there's an overnight barrier cream with seaweed and colloidal oatmeal. So yeah, I'm really excited about this brand. I think it's doing really cool things. I've got some good collaborations coming up. Also, Rococo Beauty. Apparently, this cleanser, Ruby Crystal Cleanser, is one of their famous products. I'm excited about that. But I'm even more excited about this Frangipani and Lychee body cream, but it's also a bit of a bum cream. I know, okay, clean up your top, you're right. Okay, so this is apparently good for cellulite. I'll let you know. Okay, I'm gonna go and clean my top. Bye.